Welcome, cleaning business owners, to a groundbreaking announcement that's set to revolutionize how you approach potential clients. Are you tired of struggling to make meaningful connections and expand your commercial cleaning business? Well, worry no more. We've got the key to unlock your success. Introducing our limited time offer, the ultimate cold calling kit for cleaning business owners. So, what's included in this exclusive kit? Let's break it down. Targeted contact list. Say goodbye to endless searching. Gain access to a meticulously curated list of up to 100 to 150 contact numbers for businesses in your desired area or industry. We've done the legwork for you, so you can focus on what you do best. Proven cold calling script. Ever fumbled through a cold call, unsure of what to say? Not anymore. Tackle those calls with confidence using our professionally crafted script. Nail the pitch and leave a lasting impression on potential clients. Cold calling example. Video. Visual learners rejoice. We're providing an exclusive video showcasing a successful cold calling example. Learn the tricks of the trade and watch your conversion rates soar. But why choose our cold calling kit? Save time. No more hours spent on manual research. Focus on what you do best. Boost efficiency. Maximize your outreach efforts with a targeted approach. Increase conversions. Elevate your cold calling game with a proven script and real-life examples. Don't miss this opportunity to supercharge your cleaning business. Act now and take the hassle out of cold calling. Here's how you can get your hands on this exclusive kit. Simply visit our website at www.squeakyclean1911.com and search for our cold calling kit to grab yours today. Let's turn those leads into loyal clients and watch your cleaning business thrive. Unlock your cleaning business success with our ultimate cold calling kit. Act fast, and let's make those connections that will propel your business to new heights. Thank you for joining us today.